Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to change countries on Umingle using your mobile. With this extension, you can easily filter countries. First, install the Yandex browser from the Play Store and open it. Then search for the Chrome Web Store and go to the site. Once you are there, search for Umingle, find this extension and install it. After installing, go to Umingle. Then accept the terms and tap on video. You will now see some new features available, including the option to filter countries. Try them out and see how it works. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.